YouTube? If you tuned in, you know what today is. Today's the day I'm getting my exhaust fixed. The gaskets actually came in earlier than I expected. They got pretty fast delivery, Z1 Motorsports. However, I only live like a couple hours away from them. But it was like literally like 2 days shipping. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get footage at the place. I don't know. If I can, I'm gonna try. If not, then I will. But yeah, because I wanted to get a video of my whole exhaust up under my car. But yeah, after I do this, the next thing I'll be doing as far as performance wise is I'm gonna be getting 600cc injectors. I talked to one of my buddies. He said he should be able to help install them. So, because I'm not that mechanically inclined, I always need help of a friend. But yeah, so after I get the 600cc injectors, I'm obviously planning on getting tuned. Probably gonna install the injectors the day before or the same day I'm getting the tune, depending on how long it's gonna take and all that. But yeah, that's the next plans for the car. Nothing much else to talk about today. So I just got back from the muffler shop. So yeah, it fixed the exhaust leak and everything, thankfully. It's pretty good gaskets I got on there. I'll show you what kind of gaskets I got right here. Oh yeah, and by the way guys, this was my gasket. The other one was in pieces. I might do like a pull or two. I might rev it a little bit. I'll make sure there's no cops around there, you know. Couple revs for you guys. Yep, there it is. Sounds good. Back to what it's supposed to sound like. That's it for this video. Until next time. Peace.